Hello and welcome to one of the first lessons in which we'll search for references to know a bit more where the concept of the course brings us. In this case, the references are to orient us when knowing what we're going to do. As you know, the first thing we'll practice in this course will be the creation of a paper doll like those that we've known forever, but I want to take it to the next level and make a modern version of them. As you see, I'm showing lots of examples on screen that you can see that basically the definition of these is a character to which you make a series of accessories, and to these accessories you add a series of little tabs that will fit in what would be the character shape so you can dress it or change its clothes, etc. As you see, there are loads of elements that we can consider. There are also loads of themes, and there are also the styles the paper dolls themselves present, which are not only female, but there are also men, kids, and representations and such. But what we'll mostly consider is a style like, see, for example, in this case, it's a representation of Alice in Wonderland, in which they pictured the girl in her pajamas, the rabbit costume, the Queen of Hearts, etc. And as you see, there are silhouettes that will perfectly fit on the main doll using these tabs here. So what we have to consider mainly when creating a paper doll is that the silhouette has to fit the outfit you dress her with, because if it doesn't fit, you won't be able to fit one over the other. So let's get into Pinterest for a second, because it's our secondary source of references. We've already Googled more or less what was there, but we're going to see what we can get from this website, which has so many references. In the search bar, I'm going to type in paper doll, and we get these results here. Paper dolls were a trend quite long ago and has been the entertainment of lots of kids like our mothers, even our grandmothers. So our parents will be familiar with this classic style they have. But as you see, there are representations of all kinds, even applied to current trends, in which you can see the clothes are much newer. They use a series of colors that are brighter and louder. For example, in this case, Disney decided to create, or some artist has decided to create a fan art about Frozen, in which they depicted Anna with her accessories and her clothes. And well, they make derivatives, like for example here you can see more Disney princesses and princes, but we have to focus in creating a main character in a basic way, and then around the main character we'll create those accessories. For this, I think the best you can do is to choose a theme. And well, since Halloween is coming, I thought we could make something related or with monsters before Christmas is here. But well, what we'll do is something related to this in order to escape the typical looks these kind of dolls have. So I thought we could make a monster or something like that, and I chose a witch. So, focusing in the witch, I'll choose a series of colors, maybe elements or features that could help me to design the clothes, maybe the witch herself, or even the appearance it will have that may help you. Maybe Monster High or something like that, which are the typical girls, but applied to monsters, like a werewolf, a zombie, etc. You can try and get your own ideas from there or guide yourselves, for example. Well, I'm giving you the idea of Halloween, but you can use a season or maybe some kind of hobby that you're interested into, or if you want to make someone, some athlete, or maybe a fun art of a character that you like. So, well, the important thing here is that you can apply what I'll explain on any kind of character design as long as you follow the steps. So that's it. And we're going to go on to the next lesson, and I hope this one guided you a bit. See you next time.